What's happening, everyone? It's your boy Adam here from the MW Trading World community, and over the weekend we witnessed some crazy dumps from Bitcoin, and now on Monday morning we are sitting on some higher time frame level of support. So if we get the bounce that we're looking for from Bitcoin today or over the next day or so, I've got 3 coins that I want to share with you today to keep on your watch list because they are showing some really good signs of volume, and if we do get that bounce, these 3 coins could potentially follow. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now guys, we've spoken about this coin before. This is bounce token, also known as auction. And guys, for some reason, every time when Bitcoin is on some really good levels of support, bounce seems to be pulling in quite a substantial amount of volume. We've seen this before, and now we're seeing it happen again. So as you can see, market cap 36 mil versus 116 mil 24-hour volume. Really good volume from auction, so definitely on the watch list. Now let's go over to the charts, guys, and as you can see here, weekly time frame, bottom formations over here, which resulted into a massive pump to the upside, and now we're back in those zones again. If we go over to the daily time frame, you can see that it's really trying to get above that daily indicator. So essentially what I want to see now, guys, is it staying above the daily indicator, breaking above this resistance over here, retesting it, and then off it goes to the upside. Otherwise, if we don't get that, what I would also like to see, where I'd be interested in, is it coming back down to the lows over here. So pretty much coming back down over here, testing that hourly indicator, and then coming back up over there. And if we can get our entry as close as possible to these lows, that will be really great, because our stop loss can be in these areas over here, which is really good for risk to reward purposes. So that's pretty much it about bounce token, guys, so keep an eye on this one. Okay, so moving over to the next one, guys, is Zora. So Zora has got a market cap of 117 mil with a 24-hour volume of 177 mil. So also, guys, really great volume. Now let's head over to the chart. Now Zora on the daily time frame, guys, I just wanted to point out something over here. We had this initial move to the upside, which broke through this resistance level over here, retested it, and resumed majorly to the upside. Then all the way came back down to this exact level once again, had a really nice bounce, but due to Bitcoin dumping, it retraced back under the daily indicator and is now still in this area over here. So if we head over to the smaller time frame, guys, this is exactly what I want to see now in terms of Zora. What I want to see as scenario number 1 is it breaks through this area over here, retests, and resumes to the upside, where we can place our stop loss underneath the hourly indicator. So that's number 1. Number 2, which would be the more ideal scenario, is that it comes back down to create this double over here, which I showed you before, guys, is the breakout retest zone. So pretty much come back down here and move up to the upside. This will be a great area of interest, guys, because we can literally just place our stop loss under there, and that is perfect for risk to reward ratio purposes. So that's pretty much about Zora. Now let's move on to the next one, guys. The next one is Anime. Anime has got a market cap of 32 mil with a 24-hour volume of 59, almost 60 mil. So that's almost 100% in terms of volume compared to its market cap. Really good volume, guys, so keep an eye on this one as well. At the time of the recording also, all 3 coins are also showing favorable funding rates. So it's pretty much just up to Bitcoin now. So that's pretty much about it. Let's move over to the charts for Anime, guys. And as you can see, real massive downtrend over here with our trend line acting as resistance, and has come back down to these lows over here. Now as you can see, we had a nice strong reaction over here, and now we're coming back into those same levels. So essentially on the smaller time frame, guys, pretty much similar to Zora. The first one that I want to see, guys, is it reclaiming the H1 Indy like this. Okay, retesting, coming back up to this resistance level, where I would take profits, guys, definitely on this resistance level, because as you can see over here, rejected, resulted back down lower. So definitely this will be a take profit level for me. and then we'll see where it will come down to, which we can plan our next entry based on that. However, in the most bullish scenario, it's going to break above, retest this downtrend, and then resume to the upside. So that's scenario number one. Scenario number two, guys, is it coming back down here to create a double, and once again, guys, lose small, win big. And that's exactly what this scenario gives us, because we have this low over here, okay? And then if it comes back down here, stop loss just below, and there we go. Perfect little setup to get long on anime. Also provided, guys, that the volume remains. So that's pretty much about it, guys, and I'll repeat myself again. If you do not have the indicator, please visit Whalekiller's X profile, go to his link tree, have a look at the link tree there, get yourself the indicator, and also get yourself involved in the MW live stream, guys. Pretty turbulent markets right now, and it's really nice to be involved in the MW live streams to get as much alpha and edge as possible in these turbulent markets. Alright, guys, that's pretty much about it for today. So keep these three on your radar, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.